Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark. And yesterday you can see that we saw a bit of a run up to the upper side in a move that gave us a break above the wave 1 high at around the $1.14 mark. We also tried to break above our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark with no success, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and there are high chances that as long as we are holding above this red target area, which is the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, Polygon Matic is going to see that a reversal to the upper side, see a break above the 20-day MA and a break above the wave 1 high, continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 right here in yellow within this red target area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for this wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is the move that is playing out here on the Polygon Matic chart, where you can now see that we have now peaked in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upper side. And having seen that first wave to the upper side, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this blue target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of that impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And on this micro Elliot wave count, we have now peaked in that first wave to the upper side, also seen a corrective structure in this wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that we are in the formation of this wave 3 and sketching out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fips to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.271 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Polygon Matic to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to see over here, and the first one is a break above the 20-day MA and also a break above the wave 1 high at around the $1.14 mark, and also a break above our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then we can expect a successful retest before we continue gearing up to fully maximize our target area at around the $1.271 mark in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what we can expect here on the short-term scenarios. But in case the breakdown continues and we continue seeing lower prices, there are high chances that we are going to get back into this red target area, which is the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2. And in case such a move plays out, then I think Polygon Matic will be giving us a reset of this second wave to the lower side. And once we reset the second wave, there are high chances of seeing a reversal within the red target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. But in case we lose our target area and also lose our key support area at around the $1 mark, then there are high chances that Polygon Matic might get us back to around the $0.93 mark. So that is what we can expect on the worst case scenario, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So in case the breakdown continues, continue watching our target area between the $1.0861 mark and the $1.0523 mark, because it is within that target area that we can expect a reversal to continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting a bit of a breakdown to the lower side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.